So we are syncing product data from Shopify to Sheets, and we're also syncing back the other direction. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we've got a nice two-way sync going. So if we go into this product here, let's do the blue shirt, and we update that over there. We'll see that come in here. What did I use the 5 there? There we go. That was dumb. I need a smoother transition there that we can see nice and easily. There we go. And then let's update a tag. Let's tag it with, I don't know, blue shirt apparel, right? And then you'll see it'll show the status there as it's syncing and then synced. And then we come over here. I've seen sometimes the product page refresh live, but sometimes you got to give the old refresheroo. And then that refreshes there. So pretty cool way to manage products because this made it easy for me to go in and add images for all my products that were missing images, add tags and stuff like that. So that's cool. And here are the workflows. This one's syncing from Shopify to Sheets, and we're keying off the product ID. This is where we're setting up the payload, all the different fields. Obviously, we're going to need to add a bunch of stuff to this. And then next up, we're going to do variants too. So we can add to this as we go. And then we've got some custom code that's handling the upsert, which is either it's going to insert or update as the case may be. You can also create products in here. Brand spanking new product. And then it should work. Please work. And so it's going to sync to Shopify. And then, shoot, I just realized it's not going to do what I want it to do. When it syncs back from Shopify, I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to deal with that. All right, we'll deal with that next time. We'll deal with that next time around because since it didn't have an ID, probably what I have to do is at the time I send this, I need to update the sheet with the ID. All right, I'll figure that out. Yeah, and then this other workflow here is keying off a webhook. We're using apps scripts to do that, and I've got a separate demo for setting that up. Update products from Google Sheets using app scripts. So you just copy that into your sheet, and then it basically every time an edit is made here, it'll ping this webhook. And then again, we're setting up a payload, and then we're using an upsert over to Shopify.